This is mine and Bobby's camp here. Got a good fire going here. We cooked up some chicken stew. And we just ate. It's delicious. Say hello, Bobby.
Hey. YouTube, Facebook.
Yeah. We got a screen tent set up in our other tent. 8-person tent. It's a big tent. It's nice down here. It's a good campsite. I'm in Virginia. Today's April Fool's Day, 2017. Bobby and I, my son, we're going to hike Mount Rogers, the highest mountain in Virginia. We're at the Massey Gap trailhead and across this field and start heading up. I'm kind of disappointed though, because the road up to this trailhead puts us just about 1,000 feet below the summit, so we're not going to have much of a hike. So we'll see how long it takes to get up there. It's definitely a well-beaten path. There's supposed to be wild ponies on this mountain, so I'm looking forward to seeing some. This might be the easiest trail I've ever hiked. We're coming up on some horses up here, some ponies. Lots of horse shit on the way up. But it's a nice hike. It's beautiful out here. Yeah. There's our white blaze. We're on the Appalachian Trail. Today's the 1st of April. I think it's a little bit early to see AT hikers, but may see some that start a little bit early. We'll see. How you guys doing? Good. A bit windy up here. Following the white blazes. It's pretty cool. It's like a tunnel. Hell yeah. Okay, let's go down here, we'll get it. I believe that's probably the mountain right in front of us. Yeah, that cloud cover. Yep. Because we've gone 2.5 miles.
What is it, 3?
It could be Virginia, I don't know. I don't have a compass on me. It's beautiful. I think that's north. I think that's Virginia. That's the Blue Ridge. How you guys doing?
Hey. Whoa, Boston hat.
Yep.
Where are you from? It's amazing, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
It gets thick. The further you go that way, it's going to start getting more. They're not scared at all.
I imagine a lot of people up here
Yeah.
are domesticated pretty much. Beautiful. Tents and horses. Nice tent. Getting close to the summit up here. How are you? Hi. We're approaching the summit of Mount Rogers. Going through this little evergreen area. It's pretty through here. Wet. Got a lot of rain yesterday. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Ground is soft. Bobby, it's the summit.
Is it?
Yeah. Welcome to the highest point in Virginia. Right there. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look at me. One more. Take care, guys.
Hey guys.
Alright, still in Virginia, hanging out with Bobby, and we're going to be hiking McAfee Knob today. Yesterday we hiked Mount Rogers. Rogers was a better climb than I thought it was going to be. It was a pleasant hike. It was easy, but it was a good hike. So today we're going to do McAfee Knob and go up and get this iconic photo. It's the beginning of a well-beaten path. We're back on the AT. I'm heading up to McAfee Knob. It's a pretty cool trail here. Well maintained. We're a little less than a mile from the summit, or from the outlook, I should say. Coming across this power line field right here. We just broke out a little bit above tree line or near tree line, and the views are starting to open up. It's beautiful. I'm glad we got here before the leaves started growing in and blocking all this view. I gotta say, I've never seen a trail so beaten as this. It's been nice. It's a nice little jaunt. No steep portions. Just a small, steady ascent the whole way. Lots of big boulders out here with a lot of lichen on it.
Up here. It just, I mean, if they had like a Mill Mountain coffee shop,
I'm out at Atkins' house. He invited Bobby and I to stay the night. We're gonna go on his raft on the river down here this morning. This is Art's boat. There's Debbie. I'm going to stick this in my pocket. I want to record a little bit while we're going.
Yeah.
Something got caught up, huh?
Life jacket.
The bald eagle's nest up there. How often do you see him, Art?
Not very often.
Pretty soon we won't be able to see it at all.
Those leaves get out, but they didn't want it.
It's peaceful out here.